The India-spec compact SUVs, Skoda Kushaq, and Volkswagen Taigun, have scored a 5-star rating from Global NCAP crash test. Interestingly, both midsize SUVs are the first vehicles to achieve a 5-star rating for both adult and child occupants. Also, the Kushaq and Taigun are the first cars to be tested under the updated testing protocols and have received a 5-star rating, scoring 29.64 points in the adult occupant protection test, out of a maximum of 34 points. Additionally, they also scored very well in the child occupant protection test, scoring 42 points out of a possible 49. Protection offered to the driver's and passenger's head and neck are rated as good. However, the driver's chest showed adequate protection, while the passenger's chest showed good protection levels. Also noted that both SUVs offered ISOFIX mounting points on the rear seats. As per the new testing procedure, the side impact tests with a deformable barrier was done using a 2-airbag version of the SUV, scoring a decent 14.5 out of 17 points. A 6-airbag version was used for the side pole impact test, received an OK rating for the protection. ESC offered as standard in both SUVs, meets the fitment rate requirements, and the performance shown in the test was acceptable, according to Global NCAP's latest requirements. This crash test proves the uncompromising quality standard, followed by both Volkswagen and Skoda in their respective 2.0 comeback. Both SUVs rival Hyundai Creta, Kia Seltos, MG Aster, and the recently launched Maruti Suzuki Grand Vitara and Toyota Urban Cruiser Hyryder. Out of these, both Creta and Seltos scored 3-star NCAP rating, while the rest are not tested yet. Also to be noted that MG Aster is the only SUV in the segment to offer Level 2 ADAS package for selective top variants. Thanks for watching.